terraforming. There we
Activation
go.
completed. YT13 is ready for orders.
Alright, I'm Ryan. I'm your terraformer for the next couple of hours. We're about to land on the next planet. Come with me. YT13.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you bring up the visuals of the last 3 planets I've terraformed?
Palma is at 15%, Tilapia is at 25%, and Botanica is 55% complete.
Okay. How long is it going to take to terraform this planet?
2 years, 3 months, and
Ooh,
4...
hang on. That's not right. Are you already
No,
malfunctioning?
sir. Running self-diagnostic.
I'm tricking you!
I don't understand tricks.
Just like the others. Look, it's to make people laugh.
Sir, I am not people.
Of course. Alright, let's just get this started. Let's head down. Oh, are we good to go?
Checking weather conditions. Humidity level stable.
No, stop. Look, is it okay to start?
There is no wind. You may begin terraforming process.
Thank you.
Terraforming starting. Oxygen content of local space.
Okay, just stop. When's it safe for me to go outside?
In 15 minutes.
Cool. Enough time for a sandwich. Would you like one?
I have no need for organic materials as fuel.
There is no food in here. Why was I not provisioned with all the required resources?
The logs advise that you have been provisioned with adequate...
It's okay. You need to lighten up. Oh, the look on your face.
I do not have a face.
Can't you show some sort of sense of humour? Ooh, hello, Planty.
Sir, you are able to leave the capsule. As long as there is no wind, you will be safe to stay outside. Preparing medical procedures.
Whoa. Again, I'm just tricking you, okay? Settle down.
As advised before, I am unable to sense humour.
Oh, you need to work on that, okay? I'm only here for another few hours, and then I'm heading back, okay? How long till it's about 50 meters away?
By calculating current weather conditions.
Stop. How long till it's 50 meters away?
5 hours.
We'll wait till then, I'll plant Planty, and then I'll head back to Earth.
The trick's on you. The wind blew away your air.